When you are at the edge of the ocean, of the cliff, you have a long horizon. You can see for miles, you can see the weather front rolling in. You see the changing conditions, and you can call to those behind you, "Ahoy!" The same is true inside your company. You need the edge worker to forewarn, to paint a picture of how the world is changing. Counterintuitively to many leaders, this edge worker should be encouraged to move forward and away. This means embracing a kind of cognitive dissonance. Look for those who are moving in new directions, maybe even away from the organization, and see if that is your company's new tomorrow too. Hey, thanks for watching. I will post each of the 99 episodes to the social channels listed here. I would love to hear your thoughts on these disorganizer topics. Please like, comment, subscribe, follow below. How can I help?